Namaste. My name is JVN Narendra Kumar Chahar of Department Computer Science and Engineering under the Faculty of Education and Methodology in Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. So today we are going to discuss about cloud computing, and topic is introduction part and some basic ideas about this. So first of all, what is cloud computing? So when we talk about cloud, so we talk about the resources that are available virtually. That means hardware or software resources that are not physically present here. We access all the resources from virtually over the internet. So the concept of cloud comes from just basically from clouds, like the clouds exist in the sky and the rain comes from them. So when we talk about cloud computing, so we have some resources out there, there are some services. So there are three kind of services available there. The first is infrastructure as a service, second is platform as a service, and third is software as a service. There are various examples of these services, just like the infrastructure. There is infrastructure that avails some programs or some kind of applications there. In the platform, there are some service providers, just like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. We talk about them. In the software as a service, there are various applications or softwares that we use in daily life. So we can install these softwares on our infrastructure, on our platform. And when we talk about the types of cloud computing, there are mainly three types. First is public, second is private, and third is hybrid. So a public cloud which is accessible from anywhere to anyone, that we call a public cloud. For a private cloud, it is available in an organization or maybe in an institution. And hybrid type of a cloud, that is a combination of public and private. Let's take an example. Just like we have some systems here. These systems exist in an organization. So a private server which is providing services, any kind of services, just like we are availing some storage, some RAM, some networking services, something like that. So when these are within an institution, these we call them as a private cloud. When these are connected to some outer services, so this can be example of a hybrid cloud. But when we talk about a public cloud, so there are some service providers, just like I talked about AWS, Google, Microsoft, Azure. Azure is a service of Microsoft, and there are many more. We can take examples of Salesforce as well. That's a private cloud service provider. So broadly, when we talk about AWS, so there are some data centers available out there in many regions. There are many places that they set up their data centers. So in every region, there is a data center which is providing some storage, some RAM, or some networking configurations. So when I want to deploy a single system, so I need some storage, some resources, so I will avail from there. Here is our cloud. Here are our systems that are connected to cloud services, so we can access them from cloud. after that, so this example of hybrid, and from a public, there are some systems directly deployed here, and we access these systems over the internet from our personal computer or something like that. So this was some brief introduction about cloud computing or cloud services. We have seen the cloud types, which are public, private, and hybrid, and these are three services: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service.